everyone, this is Nisi. I hope you're doing good today. Appreciate you tuning in to watch, and I thank you for everyone who has subscribed and all the likes and comments. I appreciate you so much. Today is something a little different. This is the first reborn doll that I've made from a blank kit. So this is like my first actual reborn, so I'm very excited about this. She's not perfect, but I did my best, and it took me about a week to do it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at her. Here's her tiny little feet. So cute. Take her little socks off. So you can see her tiny little cutie little toes. They're so cute. And here's her other little foot. So cute. She's wearing a pretty dress today, but show her little legs on there. There's her little legs. And her little arms and her cutie little hands. And her other little hand. And right in here is her face. Oh, she's so cute. I love her. My first real reborn that I've painted. It took me, like I said, about a week to do all the painting and everything, but she's so worth it. I'm really excited about her. I'll show you the details in just a minute if you stay tuned.